So guys, if you want to do something like this, you need a wall. It can be any type of wall, any wall you have, you can make use of it. So what actually matters is the effect that you'll be adding. So you need a wall like this, and after you've gotten the wall, the next thing you do is just watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk to the wall, then I will knock. Just wait for like 1 second for it to, the effect to come up. Then I'll do like this. And this is how I will leave the background, like this. So guys, that is it for this experiment. That is it for the tutorial. There is no other special thing you need to do. Just walk and leave the background. That is it. So after this, the next thing to do now is to head over to Capcut and do the final editing. Ready? Let's go there. Click on your YouTube, and then I'm going to search for crack wall effects on YouTube to get it. That was where I got my crack wall effect. And you see different type here. Just select the one you want, and after you've gotten that part, you just do a screen recording of it and then take it to your Capcut to edit. That was how I got mine. So you can get different green screen effects. There are lots. This is the one I use, this particular one. So you can just do a screen record of it and then take it to your Capcut and do the editing. So you can be able to use it. So guys, that is that for that. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on the Capcut app. We're going to click on new project and then click on videos, then import the video where I was just leaning on the wall and moving away. So guys, this is the video, and then we are going to move this video to the point where I knocked. So after knocking, I was waiting for like few seconds, and this is where I need now. So I will be importing that green screen effect. I'll be importing it. So this is it. Click on add. So this is it, and then this is the effect I want. So we are going to remove this green screen. We don't need the green color, we don't need it. And how do we do that? Swipe to your right hand side and search for remove BG, and then click on chroma key. So you click on color picker, click on it, and then so you click on color picker and then you start picking the green color. Just pick it. So then you can also do it to increase the intensity, as you can see. So it will make the green color invisible, but if you do it too much, the effect will now look slimmer. So just leave it you can leave it like this, and then for the shadow you can just bring it a bit. It depends on how you want yours to be. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be working with this for the sake of this tutorial. So you can play around with yours when you are doing yours. You can play around with it. So I'll be working with this for the sake of this tutorial. So you click on this check sign, and we are not going to leave it like this. We are going to turn it. You can turn it like this. And what I did is I had to zoom it so that it can give me that effect. I had to zoom it. Guys, did you see this? So make sure you are placing it after you finish knocking, and you are just waiting for like few seconds for this thing to come up. I don't know if you get. So after doing that, let's just see what we have here. So guys, did you see that? Did you see that? So once the thing finish opening now, let's see. So this is what we have now, but we are not done. We still have work to do. So immediately you finish, the effect finish coming up, and you are about to enter. That is this particular spot here now, this particular spot that you are about to enter. Just leave it like this and then screenshot it. Screenshot, and then we are going to crop it to the size of this video. So I'll just crop it right away. So this is 16:9. This is 16:9, so I'll just crop it to 16:9. Guys, hope you are following. It's very easy. So this is it. I'll click on this check sign, click on save, and then I'll go back. And remember, this white line should still be here, please, because this is the place we are placing it. Then click on add overlay, and then import that particular video photo that was screenshotted. Click on it, and then click on add. So we are going to make it longer, so you can just extend it. So guys, after doing this, the next thing you need to do is this one that you overlay, this photo that we just cropped. You have to resize it to fit to screen with the video. Resize it. So this is it. So guys, this is it. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are still going to click on this. We are still going to click on this photo that we overlaid, this photo, and then we swipe to your right hand side and search for remove BG. BG stands for background. Click on it, and then click on custom remover. Click on it. So we are going to be working with brush. The second one here, brush. Click on brush. Click on brush, and then we are going to start brushing this side. You see the color. All you need to do is just brush one side of the video. Just watch what I'm doing. Brush it. Just brush it. Do it carefully. If you make mistake, you are starting this process again. So guys, just brush it, and please, this brush should not extend to the other side. It's just this side, one part of the video. Carefully. So I'll just leave it like this. So guys, this is what we have, and then it will start applying custom remover. Just wait for it to finish loading. Applying one feature, background remove. So this is another method of removing background. Is another method. So this is it, and then you click on the check sign, and it will come up like this. So let us check what we have. Let's check. Guys, did you see that? It's as simple as ABC. Very simple. It's something that anybody can do. Seriously, even though you are a complete beginner, you can do it. It is very easy. It is very simple. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, why don't you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.